Hello folks, it's me and Simon. I've got my Budgie here. She's tickling me and everything. I'm like, Rosie! Oh God, boo-boo. Rosie went on my face and scratched me. Cheeky minx. Tickles. You're tickling me, aren't you? You're tickling me, gonna give me a kiss?
She is.
Give a kiss, give a kiss. This is about me and Budgie now. Because look at her, she's cute. She's looking at camera like, what? I'm not used to this. You're famous, Rosie. Look, you're famous. You're famous, little Budgie. Oh, like them other Budgies on YouTube. You're famous like them, duck. Aww. So my Budgie's a cheeky one. She's a cheeky Budgie, as you can hear. She's trying to say she's cheeky.
Yeah.
She's giving it cute looks. Because you can see herself through camera and she likes it and she's flying.
Yeah.
Because she likes flying everywhere, bless her. I don't blame her. I don't like to go in the same place. I get bored. Don't you bite me, I'll be a cheeky minx. Oi. Simon's still playing on GTA and trying to find that treasure. We tried to find it. It's not easy.
No.
Yeah, we tried.
Yeah.
We tried now. So Sarah's on it now, like we said.
That's right.
So Rosie's on the side. She's tormenting him and Rosie's on my camera. You cheeky minx, as you can see her. You little butty. Got your little butty there, cheeky. As you can see now, she's on my hand trying to get me because she's telling me off. Rosie, don't tell me off. I'm sorry. Keep you. You're tormenting Si on his game, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're being cheeky. You're being a cheeky little Budgie. Where are you? Come here. Come here, you. Come here, cheeky. Trying to get me. Now you're back on my screen. So back on screen, everyone, as you can see her face. She's eating my case. And I'm telling her not to eat my case. She's flying everywhere, everyone. She's from... What are you doing? Now you're on my head. You're going to eat my hair, aren't you? No, you're not. You're going to fly in my case again. Oh, dear. You're like Pedro, you. That Budgie. He's cute. I like your program. It's cool. You got Budgie program. Oh, I like birds too because they are cute. Aren't you? You're cute. You're looking at yourself. Oh, that's so cute. Here's a cute Budgie. Beautiful bird. You're a beautiful birdie. I like moving around a lot, don't you, fidget butt? Fidget butt. Let's play with you a lot, don't we? Yeah. I'll play with you. Doing a lot of movement. Yeah. She's looking herself through camera now. She's going for my eyes. Yeah. Ah, tickles! Don't poke them out. That's why I have to shut my eyes, everyone. Ow! You cheeky. Oi! Ah! Cheeky. Ugh, that feels nice. But get up! She's on him. She's on the side now.
Yeah.
Aren't you? You're on the side. What's that side? We're flying. You're flying right over there now. See, side's still playing GTA. Tries to find that treasure. It's not going to fall like we don't.
No.
As you can see. It's not easy to find, folks. We thought it was going to be easy to find, but it's actually harder to find. Because it could be anywhere in the sea, even though it shows you. Yeah. I don't know. Alright then, we're going to go now. Alright then, have a nice night and day, if it's day wherever you are. Bye!